fun and see if I can make slime from memory. So the last time that I tried to make slime was with Grace, and that was like 1 or 2 years ago. So I have gloves here. These are just some things I had left over from a restaurant that I'm going to use to mix. And then I'm going to mix in these measuring cups. So I'm going to try and make 2 colors and then combine them. Wish me luck, because I see extra ingredients in the box from what we used, and I don't remember what they're for. So we're going to see what happens. So I'm going to use gloves because I want to use food dye. And let's go ahead and get started with this. So I'm going to go ahead and get a spoon, and I'll take this knife for mixing. And then I think I'm going to do green and blue for my slime. So I'm going to start off with the glue because I know that's the main ingredient. This is kind of heavy. I think we'll go with about that much is probably good. And then we'll do about the same in this one. Maybe just a little bit more in both. There we go. Alright. So, from what I can remember, after I put the dye in, all I really am going to need is the contact solution. So let's go ahead and dye these, and then we'll see if I'm remembering correctly. If not, I might try mixing in some of my other ingredients and see if that helps. I know that the shaving cream was for fluffy slime, so I know that that isn't necessary. I have baking soda for some reason, and I'm not sure what that was for. So I've got some nice green and blue colors here. I think I'm going to keep the green more like slime, and then I'll have the blue like a little bit darker like this. And how well you guys can see. So let's go ahead and start adding contact solution and see if we start to get slime. I'm going to start with the blue one. I'm just going to put like a good bit in there, and then we'll start stirring and see if we get slime. I remember that we had to stir a very good while previously and keep adding. So I'm just going to kind of stir it, keep adding, and kind of see what happens. I have a decent bit of glue, so I think I can put a good bit of that in there. I mean, it's kind of mixing. Wouldn't necessarily say I'm getting slime yet, but it is getting thicker. So I think maybe just gonna need like a good bit of this in here. It does seem like it's starting to come away from its edges. You guys let me know if I'm doing this right, or like what ingredient I was missing. Okay, I'm going to let the blue one sit for a minute, and I'm going to try the green one and see if that starts to come together. Like I said, I'm just going to put a good bit of the contact solution in. I'm just going to stir. Now I remember having to get our hands involved when I made it with Grace. So depending on how these start sitting up, it's still super, super runny right now. So I think I'm going to throw in just a dash of the baking soda just to see if that thickens it up any. Just going to put that in both and just kind of see what that does. I don't know if it'll help activate, or really don't remember, to be honest with y'all. Stir that in. I'm going to stir it into the blue. Maybe I need more contact solution because I do have a lot of glue. That was loud. Okay, so it's actually starting to form some slime now. I'm hoping I didn't just add way too much contact solution. Alright, so I'm actually starting to get like slime. So I'm just going to keep mixing. I'm actually going to mix up the green one and see if I can like combine them. I think the baking soda might have been what I was missing to like thicken these. Okay, so I don't want this to all stick to my table, so I'm going to try and make it a little bit thicker before I take it out. Probably should have put something down on the table, but it's alright. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start pulling these out and messing with them. It's super sticky. It's like sticking to my gloves. I just want to get a good bit of it out. Alright. So here's the blue one. Like I said, it's sticking pretty badly to my gloves, which I might go ahead and remove if I can get them off with the slime. Okay. Yeah, I think it's just the gloves that it's sticking. I think the material of the gloves it sticks to. Alright, so we've got this one I'm going to stick on the table, if I can remove it. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this green one out. The green one is a lot more like sticky and loose still. But I'm just going to stick it in with the blue and kind of see what happens. So we're just going to start combining these. Oh gosh, it's sticking everywhere. But how cool does that look? So it's definitely overly sticky. I think I could use some more contact solution in this if I can get it off my hands. So we're just going to add a little bit of contact solution into this. So combining them, I kind of ended up with more of like a teal color, but I actually kind of like it, so it's fine. That's better. That little bit of extra contact solution is helping a lot. How fun is slime, you guys? Like, I was just like squeezing it and messing with it. Like, I can just sit there and mess with it for hours. I'm gonna have to mess with it for a while to get it out of my wedding rings. But, well, this seems like slime to me. So what recipes do you guys use? Like, do you guys use this recipe, or did I like forget things? Like, what would you guys have done? Let me know in the comments, and let me know if you enjoy videos like this, because I can make slime and play with it for hours, so I would totally be down to do more of these if you guys are interested. So if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys!